Hi, the silver chloride electrode is the most widely used reference electrode. Since the use of mercury became less popular, the silver chloride electrode gained popularity as mercury electrode became less popular due to its toxicity. This is the common reference electrode which is based on the reduction of silver chloride to silver. In this electrode, silver chloride is reduced to metallic silver. The electrode offers stable half-cell potential that do not change over time or with temperature, so it do not show a larger fluctuation over the time or the temperature, and it shows stable potential to the larger extent. Construction. It is composed of a silver wire which is generally coated with a thin film of silver chloride immersed in a solution that contains desired concentration of potassium chloride solution. Simply we can say electrode consists of metallic silver wire, silver chloride paste and potassium chloride solution. Here is a general electrode. Here lies silver wire over which pasted a silver chloride and it is immersed in potassium chloride solution, and then it is connected to potentiometer. At the tip there lies a porous plug. A porous filter or plug is located at the tip of the reference electrode. This filter serves as a salt bridge and it creates a liquid contact between the solution to be measured and the electrolyte solution in equilibrium with the silver chloride coating on the edge surface. So, this porous plug creates a contact between the silver chloride pasted silver wire and the solution. Half-cell reaction. Silver chloride ionizes into silver ion and chloride. Then the metallic silver reaches equilibrium with the silver ion according to the following reaction. And here reaction take place as the silver ion picks up electron and it reduces to metallic silver. The overall electrode is given as following reaction. Silver chloride picks up electron and it gives metallic silver and chloride. Nernst equation. Nernst equation is used to determine electrode potential of a cell. The potential of a silver chloride electrode depends on the activity or effective concentration of chloride ions. Nernst equation is given as following. The electrode potential of a cell E is equal to standard reduction potential of silver chloride electrode minus RT, that is general gas constant, and temperature. The temperature is usually 25 degrees centigrade over 2 Faraday, and log of activity of chloride ions. Simply we can write the electrode of the cell as following. The standard reduction potential of silver chloride minus 0.05916 log of activity of chloride ion. According to IUPAC, the standard reduction potential of silver chloride is given as 0.222 volts. And other factor, that is 0.05916 log activity of chlorides. When prepared using a saturated solution of potassium chloride, The electrode's potential is 0.197 volts at 25 degrees centigrade. Another common silver chloride electrode uses a solution of 3.5 molar potassium chloride and has a potential of 0.205 volt at 25 degrees centigrade. Advantages: stable potential, simple construction, fast response time, and application to wide range of electrochemical measurements are the advantage of silver chloride electrode. Now disadvantages: susceptible to contamination by silver ion, require regular cleaning and regeneration. Thin film of silver chloride electrode have short lifetime and their potential is sensitive to testing solution.